Hi children, last class we discussed number systems. So what all the number systems are there? Binary number systems, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Now today we'll discuss conversion of binary number system to decimal number system. So today we will learn number system conversion. First is decimal to binary conversion. Before that, you have to study this table very nicely. That means decimal of 0, binary will be 000. Decimal of 1, binary will be 001. So like that you have to study this table. Now, conversion of decimal number to a binary number. The method of this conversion is that you have to divide the given decimal with a base. Binary base is what? 2. And write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. After dividing the number with a base 2, you get the remainder and quotient. And again you have to divide the quotient by a 2. And repeat the above step till the quotient is 0. And write the remainder obtained in each step in the reverse order from the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. So these are the method you have to follow when you convert the conversion of binary number to a decimal number to a binary number. See the example. Example is that convert 28 base is 10 to binary and our decimal is what? 8. First step, divide the given number by 2. Divide the given number by 2. And step 2, separate the remainder and divide the quotient once again with a 2. See that when you divide the 2 by 28, you get the remainder 0. Again you have to, quotient will get 14. Now again when you divide the 2 by 14, you will get the remainder 0 and quotient is 7. Then step 3. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient becomes 0. You have to repeat this step till your quotient become a 0. Have you seen that one? When the quotient become 0. Now that 1 is there, no? That one you have to write, that this one you have to write down in the remainder place. This one you have to write in here. And after that, after that you get the remainder here. Now what will be to write the remainder obtained in the reverse order from bottom to top. How you will write from bottom to top? All the remainder you have to write from bottom to top. What was the answer? 1 1 1 1 0 0. You have to write from bottom to top. See, the answer is here. So 28 base is 10, give you 1 1 0 0. Close the bracket and you have to write the base 2. In this way you can do the convert of decimal to binary. See one more example. The same thing had to apply here. 37 is there, base is 10. And after that you have to divide up to quotient. When the quotient is 0, you have to stop. So here also the same way you have to write that one you have to write here. 2 by 2, 1 you are getting, that one you have to write in the remainder place. So you will get the answer. The first order of the digit of the binary number, you will get the answer. You have to write the answer from bottom to top. What will the answer? 1 0 0 1 0 1. That is remainder after each division. Let's see one more example of what was that? 160 is there. The same way you have to apply here. You have to remember that the quotient should be a 0. Next we study conversion of binary number to a decimal number. Before we study decimal to binary. Now we study binary to a decimal. The place value of the digits in a binary number are: binary base is what? 2. 2 raised to 5, See that 2 is given, no, and you have to write from right side. You have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you seen that? From right side, see that from right side, no, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it will be, now see that how many times 2 have to write? 2 raised to the power 5. That means 2 you have to write 5 times. So what will be the multiplication of 5? You will get 32. In the same way, 2 you have to write how many times? 4 times. You will get the 16. 2 you have to write 3 times. You will get the 8. And 2 into raised to the power 2, that means 2 you have to write 2 times. You will get the 4. In this way you have to write. Here have you seen that? Here 2 how many times you have to write? 1 times, but you have to write 2 only here. Here see that 2 raised to the 0, the answer will be 0. Sorry, answer will be 1 only. That means 2 raised to 0 you have to write 1 only. And 2 raised to 1 you have to write 2 only. So the convert and any binary number to decimal number, we need to follow the following steps. So to convert the binary number to decimal number, you have to follow the step. First step is what? Multiply each digit of the binary number by its place value. You have to multiply each digit of a binary number by its place value. And add up all the product. Now after that, you have to add all the product. So you get a required decimal number. After that, you get a required decimal number. Now see the example of binary to decimal. You have to convert 1011 base is 2 to decimal. Step 1. Write the place value of every digit of the binary number by multiplying it with the power of the base 2, starting with power 0 from which side? Right side. See that. Before that you have to write, what you have to convert? 1001 you have to convert. No, you have to write the, what you have to write? Base. That is starting with a from of the base. The base is what? 2. And that base you have to write all the numbers. Before that only you can write for 1 raised to 0, and for 1 raised to 1, 0 raised to 2, and 1 raised to 3. Now you have to do the multiplication. 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the 0. After that, step 2, sum up all product to get the decimal number. You have to sum up to all the products to get the decimal number. After doing that, you will get 1 into 8. That means 2 how many times you have to write? 3 times you get the multiplication 8. Then plus 0 into 4. That means 2 how many times you have to write? 4. 2 into 2, 4. So 0 into 4, what it will give you? 0. Plus 1 into 2, what it will give you? 2. Plus 1 into 1, what it will give you? 1. That means 2 raised to 0, 1, you have to write 1 only. And after that you have to add all this, you will get the answer is 11. So how will you write? Answer 101 base is 2 will give you 11. Close the bracket, base is 10. So in this way you can convert binary to decimal. One more example you can see. 101, the same we have to do. 101 you have to take the base, and means at the top you have to write all from right side onwards you have to write all the values 0, 1, 2, because 3 are there to start from 0, 1, 2. So 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Then after that you have to add 4 plus 0 plus 1. You will get the 5. 5 your which number? Decimal number. Now here see that here as 2 raised to 0 always will give you what? 1 only. 2 raised to 0 will give you 1 only. So answer is 101 base is 2 equal to 5, 10. So in this way you can convert the binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Hope you have understood. If you find any difficulty you can call me. Thank you my dear children.